Let's draw a wise owl. A big egg shape. Your turn. A huge eye. Another huge eye. A dot inside. And one here. A pointy beak. A soft wing. One more wing. Great job!